Hello and welcome back to my channel. You guessed it, it's plan with me time again. If you're new here to my channel, welcome. My name's Tally. Hello, make yourself at home and I hope you enjoy. I'm not going to go through February spreads because they didn't change very much from when I first set it out for the month, so you can watch my previous plan with me if you want to see what I did for February. And I'm so happy because the sun is out, spring is nearly here. I am so done with winter, so I'm looking forward to making a really spring oriented kind of spread, lots of flowers and colour, and I'm still very much working on my hand lettering, so please forgive me if it's not the best hand lettering in the world. So you can tell I've very definitely gone for the spring theme with all of the daffodils. Even though they look like a child's drawing of daffodils, I'm pretty sure I drew daffodils similar to this in primary school when we were doing like Easter pictures. But I've gone for the same layout as usual, the calendar spread, the tracker down the side, and then a to-do list in the corner. Last month I did have a self-love tracker where the to-do list is, but I didn't really use it. I was kind of going back and filling in the days rather than actually reflecting on it every day. So I've scrapped that and I've gone back to the to-do list in that space. And I filled all of the space with daffodils and green washi tape. I really enjoy the yellow, orange and green colours. I think I'm going to fill in my tracker with the orange pen. That'll kind of complement it nicely. If you recreate this spread or this theme in any way or draw daffodils or things like that, please tag me on Instagram. I love to see other people's bullet journal spreads and ideas and share the inspiration. And I'm pretty sure a lot of your daffodil drawings will be way better than mine, so I'd like to see them. Make sure you check out my bullet journal tag video that I uploaded recently. That was just a bit of fun to, you know, spice up the way I can talk about bullet journals a bit more. So go and have a look at that. And if you're a bullet journaler, then I tag you to do that tag as well. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you have a fantastic March or a great day whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!